Chance this moment to invite on stage Ms. Juhi Chaturvedi, story, screenplay, and a dialogue writer of the film. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's welcome her on stage too. Thank you so much, ma'am. Deepika, mic. Yes, yes, please. Very importantly, Twitter is going crazy. Everyone that we follow on Twitter, all the celebrities, all the stars have been speaking so much about the film. Your views in the same?
I think overwhelming. I think we're all really, really excited. And it's the first film for me where we've started showing it almost a week prior to the release. And I think that says a lot about the film itself. So yeah, I think it's been extremely overwhelming. It's been an emotional journey. And we're all really excited and looking forward to the release tomorrow. It's a big day for all of us.
Thank you so much. Juhi ji, आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि everybody's been talking about quirky writing and they love the screenplay, the story, and quirky writing is where I've heard a lot. A lot of people say that. Your views in the same?
I don't know if I intentionally do quirky stuff, but I do believe that there is a bit of quirk in me.
Okay.
And I mean, you know, life is the way it is. We all know it, but it always makes sense to find some humor in it. So I try to just do that.
Thank you, ma'am. Deepika, my last question to you would be, you said you're associated with people.
Wait, before that, I want to say that you've been hosting a lot of our events and you're doing a fantastic job. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. You identify, you said, with Piku a lot. And real life also. So could you share a few thoughts, you know, how does that happen? I mean, what part of Piku are you at the moment?
See, when I say me, I mean the girl in me.
Right.
I think every woman here today is going to identify with that character. Every human being sitting here right now is going to identify with what the Banerjee family goes through.
Right.
What I mean when I say relatable is I think Piku represents today's Indian woman. Who's, you know, a woman who's independent financially and otherwise, emotionally, financially, you know, trying to be perfect at everything that she does, whether it's being the perfect daughter, you know, the perfect friend, the perfect wife, the perfect girlfriend, and how she beautifully manages to multitask, you know. And I think for me, I said this earlier on in an interview as well, I think for me, the inspiration for this role, you know, usually they say who's inspired you or what was your, I think every Indian woman today has been my inspiration for this role. The way we multitask, I think the way we try to balance various aspects of our life and most importantly, be dutiful daughters.
Very well said. I wish we men, I mean, I'm not trying to say anything, but I'm saying I wish guys also have those kind of traits at times. But I do have a Piku trait in me. My mom still makes me clean the room. I mean, she makes me do everything. I still have to do a lot.
There's nothing wrong with that.
There's absolutely nothing wrong. But on a Sunday when you want to sleep a little extra, I have to like, don't laugh. After Sunday Mass, I do that. You can ask my mother. I'm damn serious. Anyways, we'll go for, you know, we'll have more questions coming up. But before that, could we please have the unveiling? Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. Come on, come on. Keep the phone.